Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Can you turn the wheel?
Yeah, but it's got limited steering.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
He's rolling now. Up, 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 up.
Got the old one tire fire.
Hi, Liz. Hey. That's right, buddy. Keep your eyes on the road. Don't let Mama distract you. Not out towards the road, Mike. Bring him over here. Not let him to think he can head out towards that way when he can really get rolling. On the terrain! Puts it into four-wheel mode, buddy. Yeah. Alright, you're heading for Mama's flower garden here, even though there's no flowers.